Okay, I'm going to do a little review on my little red siren, partly because I'm fixing it. First thing about the siren, if you're going to buy one, don't. It's really just a cheap thing, and it didn't work for me because, as you can see, I have a different motor on here. The motor got too hot, overheated, if I ran it for a long period of time, up to a minute, not even 3 minutes for a full siren. Here's the old motor. Let's see, it has no markings on it. I replaced it with a Radio Shack motor. They look identical almost except for the color, and this part right here is made out of brass, and this one's just that's a bronze bush bearing, and that's just steel, and this one doesn't go as fast as the 12-volt Radio Shack motor. So this motor is basically crap, and the brushes I think don't work anymore right now. Excuse me. So that's not working. So that's pretty much why I don't really suggest getting the siren, because it hasn't lasted very long for me. This is just for a little siren. If you really want one, you're not going to turn it on very much. Basically, it didn't work. I did a lot of modifications to it to increase the sound output, and basically the motor just doesn't work. So what I did here is I replaced the motor. I didn't feel like going down to the neighbor's to use his lathe, so I used my pair of tin snips, which I sharpened, and now they don't work, and I realized why. I used this as a kind of like a reamer, and just slowly shaved out the metal out of it, and it worked quite well. The brass piece came loose. I don't know why. I think it should be pressure fitted or something, but it isn't. And then also the siren here, they did not put screw holes in it. It's just pressure fitted on there, and that's also one reason. Also, the chopper, there's no screw. It's just is pressure fitted and using friction to hold it on, and it popped off one day. That's also one thing I don't like about it. So I think I can get it on with the motor shaft now, but I can't get a screw in there, so I'll have to figure out some way to get it so I can attach it nicely. But that's basically it right now. So